Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send files from phone onto your MSI Thin A15. In order to do so, you need to go to the same website on both your devices, which will be pairdrop.net. You can see the name here at the bottom. It says pairdrop.net. And I'm gonna go to the same website on my laptop. Also, you need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for it to work. But I'm also gonna show you a way if you are not on the same network. So now, since I think I should be on the same network now. Yes, I am. Let's double check it. Yes, so I'm gonna refresh maybe title. Yes, and you can see I have my phone here, and on my phone my laptop has appeared, so I can click on it and then select either photo library, take photo or video, or choose files. I'm just gonna take a photo now, but of course you can select any of those. Then I'm gonna take the photo of this plant maybe, and I'm gonna click on use photo. Then on my laptop I can just accept it, and it has been downloaded into my downloads folder on laptop. So you can see here I have the picture. I'm gonna close it now, and then I'm gonna show you the way to connect devices that are not on the same network. So in order to do it, you need to click on this button right here, which is pairing devices permanently. Then on your phone you also need to click on the same button, and just on one of the devices type in the code from another one. So in this case I'm just gonna type in the code from the laptop on my phone. It's gonna be 919737 pair, and now the devices are paired forever. So whenever both of the devices are on the website, they don't have to be on the same network. They will be still able to send files between them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.